Hi to all. Today's topic is solenoid is equivalent to bar magnet. I am going to show that this solenoid is equivalent to bar magnet. Solenoid means what? A current carrying wire is wound over a hollow cylinder, that is called as solenoid. Okay, and that solenoid, when the current passes through the coil, okay, that is wound over the hollow cylinder, okay, then at that moment it will act as a magnet, and one side it will act as north pole and other side it will act as south pole. Then I am going to show that current carrying solenoid is equivalent to bar magnet. Okay, and now I am going to derive the formula for the magnetic induction on the axis of the solenoid, and I will show that the magnetic induction on the axis of the solenoid is equivalent to the magnetic induction on the axis of bar magnet. When they are equal, automatically the solenoid is also equal to the bar magnet. Look at here, this is the solenoid. This is the solenoid, and the solenoid length is 2L. I am going to take the length of solenoid as 2L. 2L is the length of the solenoid. Look at here, let us give some terms. This is the axis of the solenoid. This is the center of the solenoid. From center at a distance smaller, I want to find out the magnetic induction. Okay, this is a current carrying wire wound over a hollow cylinder, and this is the solenoid, and this is the solenoid. On the axis of the solenoid, I want to find out the magnetic induction. Then let us go for some terms related to this. Capital R is the radius of the solenoid. Look at here, this is the radius of the solenoid, and small r is the distance of point P on the axis from the center of the solenoid. Okay, right. And next, capital N is the total number of turns. Some turns are there over the solenoid, and the capital N is the total number of turns. 2L is the length of the solenoid, and small n is the number of turns by length, number of turns per unit length. Okay, and the next dx is the I am taking the small element on the solenoid. Its width is dx, just like the small element will be like this there, just like a current carrying coil. Okay, this its width is dx. Okay, and now dx is the width of small element on solenoid, and x is the distance of that small element from center of solenoid. This is the center. Okay, right. And from the figure, whenever this is r and this is x, and this part will become, from this total you remove this part, you will get this part, that is r minus x. Okay, and now you take the screenshot and note the points what I gave it here. Then I will continue. I am going to derive the magnetic induction on the axis of solenoid. Okay, right, take the screenshot. Okay, look at here, I am going to derive the formula for the magnetic induction. Okay, magnetic induction means magnetic field strength. Okay, that on the axis of the solenoid. For that, first I am going to take the small element. Due to this small element magnetic induction, I will consider it here dB. After finding the magnetic induction due to small element, then I will integrate to find out the magnetic induction due to total solenoid. Okay, this is the format, and let us see. For that, magnetic induction, that is B. Okay, at point P, due to circular element, okay, circular small element, this is small element is in circle shape, circular small element. Okay, right. Magnetic induction at a point P due to magnetic induction, that I will consider as dB, d suffix b. Magnetic induction at a point P due to circular small element of width dx. Then for that, let us take the formula we write first. Okay, what is the formula? We know that we know is this is a small element. For example, if it has n turns and its radius is capital R, and on the axis at a distance y, we know the formula for the magnetic induction, right? What is the formula for the magnetic induction? Nu naught Ni. Okay, n is the number of turns, I is the current in this. Nu naught Ni R square by 2 of R square plus this distance where you want to find out the magnetic induction, and plus y square whole power 3 by 2. This is the formula. That formula we have to apply it here. This is the small element. Okay, the small element is this one. Okay, and from here at a distance point P I want to find out, but the y is r minus x at here. Okay, at r minus x distance I want to find out the magnetic induction, that is dB. Okay, this distance is r minus x from the small element, and its radius is again capital R, we know already. How many turns are there in this? Look at here, we know already number of turns per unit length. Small n is the number of turns per unit length. For 1 unit length, this is the number of turns, but we have the dx units of length for the small element, dx units of width. How many turns will be there, right? That is n dx. For 1 turn n, dx for 1 unit length n turns, dx how many turns? Dx into n, right? The number of turns is n dx. Okay, n dx at here. Okay, number of turns is n dx. Current is again I, same I am taking current in the solenoid. Then the magnetic induction formula we write like this: dB is equal to mu naught capital N. Capital N is the number of turns, but the number of turns in the small element. We are to find out the magnetic induction due to small element only. In that small element, the number of turns is n dx. Okay, n is the small n is the number of turns per unit length. In 1 unit length, small n. Dx units of length. Dx is the length, unit of length. Dx length number of turns is n dx. Nu naught n dx I into r square. Okay, radius is again r. Okay, no problem. By 2 of r square plus this is y square, but instead of y here r minus x is there. From the center of the small element to point where we are finding the magnetic induction, its distance is r minus x. That means we write here instead of y r minus x, y square means r minus x whole square. Total whole power 3 by 2 is there, that we have to write. Okay, this is the simple. If you write this equation automatically, the most of the derivation part will be complete. Okay, based on this step we can continue everything. Let us see how to continue these all things, and for that let us see here, this is considered as equation 1. Okay, or no need of to considering any equation also, no problem. And I am taking that if small r is greater than capital R. Okay, this smaller distance I am taking as it is very much greater than capital R. And also I am taking that small r is greater than x, then capital R and x are very small comparing with small r. Capital R and this x are very small comparing with small r. That's why capital R and x are neglected in denominator. Okay, in denominator. When you compare with the small r, then only we have to neglect. Here capital R we cannot neglect in the numerator because we are not comparing with anything. Okay, right. Now let us see, let us continue now. For that, what we have to do it here? We can neglect some terms in this and we will rewrite the equation. It was very simple. Okay, and we will get the answer also very simple. And let us see continuation. dB is equal to, okay, mu naught n dx into I r square by 2 of capital R we write 0 because capital R is small, 0 square plus small r minus x also we write 0, 0 whole square whole power 3 by 2. Now we can simplify some more, that is dB is equal to nu naught n dx I r square by this is 2 into 0 plus a small r whole square, that is r square whole power 3 by 2. Now some more simplification, dB is equal to mu naught n dx I r square by 2 into this is r square whole power 3 by 2. You have to multiply the power, 2 into 3 by 2, that is 2 will cancel, r cube we will get. This we will consider as equation 1. This is the magnetic induction due to only small element. I want to find out the magnetic induction due to solenoid, right? Magnetic induction due to solenoid. Magnetic induction V at point P due to solenoid. At point P due to solenoid, right? That is B. We have to do the integration at here, that is integration dB. Then integration dB is what it here, already we know from equation 1, mu naught n dx I r square by 2 into small r cube. Okay, and here we write limits also. Okay, integration for that we have to write these constants outside. Then B is equal to mu naught is a constant, small n also constant, I r square by 2 into small r cube integration dx. Okay, except dx is the width of small element, remaining all are constant. Dx range is what? Dx maximum, okay, right side dx maximum value is plus L. From the center right side length is L, and from the center left side length is minus L. Total length solenoid is 2L. In this right side from the center we will take as origin, right side plus L, left side minus L we have to take. Okay, then the length x dx value is changes from minus L to plus L we have to write. Now we have to write the simplification. Integration dx we have to write. What is integration dx? Mu naught ni r square by 2 r cube. Integration dx is x. We know already. Integration dx formula is x. Limits are minus L to plus L. Now next step we have to substitute the limits. Then we will get the final answer. Okay, you take the screenshot and note every point. Okay, I am going to rub this side, left side, and I will continue. Okay. Let us see here, we have to simplify. B is equal to, we will get as mu naught ni r square by 2 r cube into, instead of x here upper limit we have to substitute, that is first L. Later we have to keep minus, instead of x minus L we have to write lower limit, x upper limit plus L and x lower limit minus L. First plus L we have to write minus, next after that lower limit we have to substitute. Lower limit is minus L. How to substitute the limits? First in place of x we write plus L, later minus, next in place of x minus L we have to write. Okay, right. Now we have to simplify this. That is mu naught ni r square by 2r cube into, this is L plus L, that is 2L. Now we have to simplify some more, that is B is equal to mu naught, this we write as n into 2L. Okay, n into 2L. into IR square by 2R cube. Okay, right. Now here n into 2L we know already, capital N. Okay, that we write here mu naught capital NIR square by 2R cube. Why? Because we know that n into 2L is capital N, because small n formula is what? Number of turns by unit length, n by 2L. Then n is equal to small n into 2L we will get. Then here this is the magnetic induction. I want to modify this one in different format. For that I will multiply with 2 pi and divide with 2 pi. Okay, now I will remodify this one like this, that is mu naught by 2 into 2 pi, 4 pi into, okay, this is mu naught 2 into 2 pi 4 pi, and here what remains? Ni nu not completed, Ni remains. Okay, pi r square into, this is 2 will remains, 2 we have to write, by, in denominator 2 into 2 pi completed, only r cube remains, right? Okay, this pi r square we write as cross sectional area. Now we write here, that is mu naught by 4 pi into 2 into Nia is magnetic moment, by r cube. This is equation 2. Okay, and now magnetic induction on the axis of bar magnet. This is the magnetic induction on the axis of solenoid. Magnetic induction on the axis of bar magnet. Magnetic induction on the axis of bar magnet, formula we write. What is the formula for the magnetic induction on the axis of bar magnet? This is south pole, this is north pole, its length is 2L, and from the center at a distance R, the magnetic induction on the axis formula is B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into 2m by r cube. Okay, this is in case of short bar magnet only. This is in case of short bar magnet, and this is equation 3. From equation 2 and 3, magnetic induction due to solenoid and magnetic induction due to bar magnet formulas are similar. Okay, that's why from equation 2 and 3 we say that solenoid is equivalent to bar magnet, right? Solenoid is equivalent to bar magnet. Why we write the solenoid is equivalent to bar magnet? Because the solenoid formula and bar magnet formula 2 are similar, right? This Nia also magnetic moment of current carrying coil formula, right? That's why this we say that solenoid is equivalent to bar magnet. Okay, thank you for watching my lectures. If you have any doubt, you can consult me in my WhatsApp. Till now, if you not subscribe my channel, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.